Yes, yes. Okay.
ma'am. Right now. Okay. Good
Okay.
afternoon, ma'am.
Hello. Uh,
Okay.
Good evening. How are you?
How I'm good, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What were you doing?
Right now, I'm just come to my. I mean, I'm coming from temple, ma'am. Right now, so I was
Okay,
going to
okay.
search temple. There is a tomorrow. There is a Shiv Jayanti. Sorry,
Shiva.
Shivratri. So yeah, that's why we will go there.
Okay, okay. That's good. Okay. Do you celebrate Shivratri?
Yes, ma'am. Every time.
Okay, that's nice. Me too. I will also go to the temple tomorrow.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
And how would your study sessions today?
So about my lead section, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Your study sessions.
So I'm wake up at 6 o'clock, and
Yes,
then
yes.
complete my revision, and
Yes.
then I was going at the time of 12 o'clock, going to temple.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, that's nice. Did you have your lunch?
yes, ma'am. I had my lunch.
Okay, okay. I guess you went to the market some time back.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay,
I
okay.
was I
With
was go at 3 o'clock or
market?
something. Sorry,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. With whom to market?
Sorry, ma'am.
With
I
whom
can
to market?
I cannot hear you, ma'am.
Okay, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Right now
Yes, yes. With whom you went to market?
with Citizen Park, ma'am.
Okay, you went with your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. And what about college? You did not go to college today?
No, ma'am. Today I was not going to work.
Okay. And what about tomorrow?
Yeah, we will going tomorrow college.
Okay, you are going to the college tomorrow. Okay, what's the plan for after the class?
After the class, just going to play cricket, and
Yes.
then came back to home and revising my whole subject. Like
Okay, okay. So do you play cricket daily?
not daily, ma'am, but sometime I was playing my cricket.
Okay, okay. Okay, that's nice. And how means how are you liking these one-to-one sessions?
Yes, ma'am, I'm liking very much because you are very comfortable. And when I was talking something wrong, you actually told me that yeah, you are talking wrong, and you have to talk like this. You are doing some grammar mistakes also. So lot of things you are saying to me.
Are you finding improvements in yourself?
Yes, ma'am, lot. Because first time when I was giving one-on-one session, I was really nervous that time. And after that, right now, I'm improving lot, ma'am.
Yes, yes. And I think your friends are also improving, right?
Yes, ma'am, they are also.
Yes. Okay. So, like today, what which subject do you study? Today, which subject
So
did you study?
I was revising my biology, ma'am, today. I was revising starting my biology.
Okay,
And
okay. So you
then
have
I was done my 1.5 hour for physics, ma'am.
okay, that's good. Uh, among these three, which is your favorite one?
Biology, ma'am, because that subject is to revise you the most. So that's why biology is my favorite subject.
Okay, that's nice. How many days are left for the exam?
Right now we had 58 days, ma'am, left for the exam.
Okay, okay. So, do you write in the diary like how many days are left
Yeah,
and
ma'am,
what have?
I was making my notes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, Aryan, that's good. And are you prepared for this means May exam like this term?
Yes, ma'am. I can sure about
Okay.
that I will get a good mark this time. Indeed.
I also hope for you that you will qualify this May attempt. That's good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You will be getting somewhat break like 1.5 month break after the exam, right? for receiving the
Yes,
results
ma'am.
till that?
And then counseling will be started after that.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. For how much time counseling is like taking place? 1 month?
1 month. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's good. Okay, so like, do you what if you get BDS?
Mm, I think I will join it on BDS, ma'am. I will get an admission, I will, in BDS actually.
Okay, okay. No, no, but
Getting MBBS, so it's I think home run for me.
yes. No, no, you will get of your choice and you will go for the MBBS. Okay. You just
Thank
have to make means do hard work for some more days and you will get it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. And I think that BDS has some less time duration, right?
No, ma'am. It's the same duration with BDS and MBBS. Both are the 5.5 years.
Okay, both are for 5.5 years. Okay, that's
Yes, ma'am.
nice. Yes, yes. Okay, have you prepared for the yesterday's topic like story reciting? No?
No, ma'am. Because I was not prepared for lot because there is a certain things coming. So that's
Yeah, yeah.
why I didn't prepare myself.
Okay, okay, no worries, no worries. You can recite it in next session. Like you can recite any of the story of your choice, and
Okay, ma'am.
it should be having some good means. You have to express it well. Like you should feel that you. It should not be
I
like you
will.
are reading something,
Okay,
right?
ma'am. I will try my best, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. For now, do you remember any story like any story of the childhood or anything? Any short one?
Sport person, I remember some of
Yes,
sport person.
yes, yes. Please tell me.
So, about the football player. He is born and brought in Portugal. So his mother is working in others people home, and his dad actually died because of a lot of drinking at the age of his 7. After that, he joining one football club, which is called as a Portugal club. And after that, he signed in EPL called English Premier League. And after that, he done most scoring goals in the Manchester United. And he moved to after that Real Madrid. And because of that success, his name is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yes, yes. Okay. Uh, okay. So that's like that was like I was listening some of the audio. Okay, that's good. Like you recited, very good. But you see, you have to express when anytime you are saying a story, so you have to express it. Like you should have some face expressions. Your voice tone should be like that, changing tone. You have to use some of the hands and like you have to express it, like what you are feeling. You are telling the feeling the story, and you are telling that. It should be like that.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. I will try my best after that.
Yes, yes, sure, sure. For the next time, I will be hoping that you will recite in the same manner I have told you, right?
I will try my best.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so are you health conscious?
Little bit, ma'am. Not
Okay,
much, but
little.
little bit.
But so you might be active at eating junk food, right?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So that's good, but now summer season is coming, so you should avoid it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because of right now it's a ice cream summer,
Yes,
so
I was just, it were my next words that is now it is a season for ice cream, having custards and like something like that, ice cream cakes, some desserts. That's like
yeah.
great. Yes, yes. There is one dessert like I like that most. That it's of cake and ice cream both. It's like it's very yummy.
What is called that dish, ma'am?
Actually, I do not remember the name right now. I will be telling you, but it's the great recipe, and I really
Are
like it.
you ever tried in Faluda, ma'am?
Yes, yes, obviously. I like Faluda, ice creams, all of these things. I'm already interested in preparing and trying new recipes and having the great cuisine. Actually, more of eating from outside. I like to prepare by my own, try new recipes and have it. It's like that.
That's a very good one.
Yes, yes. And what about you? Do you have any means any hobby like cooking or anything? No.
Only eating, ma'am. No,
Only
I will not. No,
very less boys have these kind of hobbies. It
because
happens.
those boys who are going to outside the home, if they are getting admission outside our hometown, so they are people who are making the food for themselves.
Yes, 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 it happens. Okay, that's good. And say, Aryan, would you like to share any experience of your life?
Right now, I just joining the English speaking classes, and also I was joining gym also, and I was improving a lot. Right now, I had a lot of day happen in my English speaking classes, and also I feel that I am improving in English a lot. Yeah, I am doing some a little bit of grammar mistakes, but I will improve
Yes,
myself. Yes,
sure,
ma'am.
sure, very definitely you will. Actually, it requires some time and practice, and definitely you will improve. There is
Yeah,
no
yeah,
doubt.
I will do it, ma'am.
Yes, sure. I think you will get sessions for 2 months, so in that you will definitely improve.
Thank you,
You
ma'am. I will
what you just have
definitely
to
do.
speak more and more, and like speaking more and more will help you more.
Okay, ma'am. I will
And
try my best.
our own self also realize that oneself that we are making some mistakes and like that we get to know our mistakes in that way.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, so at what time you has to have your do you have your dinner?
It's a dinner timing. I had on morning at the 9:30, and
Okay,
then I will again had my next dinner like 2 or 2 o'clock something,
okay,
and about night I had 9:30 o'clock.
okay. That's good. They are the great timings you are having for the meal, and it's okay. Do you have a habit of walking after having a meal or doing like a vajrasan or something like that for
No,
the
ma'am,
good
I am
health?
not doing any yogas or something. But yeah, after eating, I was going to walk. Here is close to my home, university, so I was go there and walk.
Okay, okay, okay. See, like you have a habit to go there, so it where you can say it like that. I used to go for walking. I used to go for walking like that.
Walk.
You can say that. Yes, I
Okay.
can. I used to go for a walk, or I am used to go for a walking like that. You can say that in the present or past form.
Okay.
Used to is basically used for the habit, so you can add it in that.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Aryan. So that's it's okay for today, I think. And shall we continue tomorrow or later? Like I would expect to have a good story from you, a good story from you, which would have a moral. And do you remember the points I told you that how you have to
Ma'am.
recite the story?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I am definitely in my mind.
Okay, okay. I found you very confident today, and you are improving, and definitely you will have a good improvement in you later also. And
Thank you, ma'am.
just speaking, be confident. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you.
Have a good day, ma'am. You too, ma'am.